Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cat, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round circle here. Now draw the ears. The other side too. The body, and the tail. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle, and another smaller circle, a curve inside, with 3 lines, and the nose, now just following with me. Draw some curved line here. Now we have a cat. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.